Hey there, dream chasers. Welcome back to Dream Dollar, where we turn everyday folks like you into smart money masters. I'm your host, Dream, and today we're diving into something that's keeping millions of Americans up at night: buying your first home. Picture this. You're scrolling through Zillow late at night, heart racing at those dream houses, but then reality hits. The banks seem like these mysterious giants holding all the cards, right? They flash those shiny ads about low rates, but they never spill the real tea on how to actually win at this game. Listen, if you're a first-time homebuyer in 2025 feeling overwhelmed by skyrocketing prices, confusing mortgages, and that nagging doubt, can I even afford this? You're not alone. Over 38% of us are still renting, dreaming of that white picket fence, but stuck because the system feels rigged. But what if I told you the banks are hiding 7 game-changing secrets that could slash your costs, boost your chances, and get you into your home faster? These aren't fluffy tips. They're practical, emotional lifelines that turned my own journey from renter to homeowner into a reality. I remember my first shot at buying. Bad credit from student loans, no clue about down payments, and banks acting like I was asking for the moon. It felt hopeless, like the American dream was slipping away. But once I uncovered these secrets, everything changed. I saved thousands, avoided pitfalls, and now I'm here to hand them to you on a silver platter. Stick around, because by the end, you'll feel empowered, motivated, and ready to take action. We're breaking it down step by step. No jargon, just real talk for beginners like you. Let's expose what the banks won't tell you and make 2025 your year to own. Part 2. Secrets 1 through 3. Busting the myths that hold you back. All right, let's jump right in with secret number 1. You don't need a perfect credit score, or even a good one, to get approved. Banks love to scare you with that magic 620 number for FHA loans or 740 for conventional, but here's the truth they bury. You can boost your score in months, not years. Start by pulling your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Yes, it's truly free weekly in 2025 thanks to ongoing pandemic-era rules. Dispute errors, up to 20% of reports have them, pay down cards to under 30% utilization, and add positive history with secured card. I had a buddy who jumped from 580 to 650 in 90 days just by automating payments and cutting one maxed out card. Emotionally, it's a game changer. Imagine the relief of seeing that score climb, knowing you're not defined by past mistakes. Moving to secret number 2, down payments aren't always 20%, and there are ways to get help without begging family. Banks push that old myth because it means bigger loans for them, but in 2025, with rates hovering around 6 to 7%, based on Fed projections, programs like FHA let you in with just 3.5% down if your credit's over 580. Even better, down payment assistance from states like California's CalHFA or Texas's Seth can gift you 3 to 5% with no repayment if you stay put. Check downpaymentresource.com. It's a goldmine. Think about it. For a $300,000 home, that's $10,500 down instead of $60,000. Practically, save by cutting subscriptions or side hustling on apps like TaskRabbit. Emotionally, this secret hits home. It's for everyday people like teachers or nurses who've been told save forever. I teared up when my sister used DPA to buy her first place. It felt like the system finally worked for us. Now, secret number 3. Pre-approval isn't just a suggestion, it's your secret weapon against bidding wars. Banks won't emphasize this because they want you shopping blind, but get pre-approved first via lenders like Rocket Mortgage or local credit unions. It locks in your rate for 60 to 90 days and shows sellers you're serious. In hot 2025 markets like Austin or Phoenix, where inventory's still tight post-2024 recovery, this can win you the house over cash buyers. Motivationally, picture walking into open houses confident, not anxious. Simple steps. Gather pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. It takes a weekend. I once lost a dream home without it, but the next time, nailed it. These first 3 secrets alone can save you stress and thousands. Hang tight for more in the next part where we tackle rates and hidden costs. Let's keep the tempo going. Picking up where we left off, secret number 4, shop around for mortgage rates. Don't settle for the first bank that smiles at you. Banks hate this secret because it cuts their profits, but in 2025, with apps like Credible or LendingTree, you can compare 5+ lenders in minutes without dinging your credit. It's a soft pull. Rates could vary by 0.5%, saving $100 a month on a $250,000 loan. That's $36,000 over 30 years. Practically, aim for at least 3 quotes. Factor in APR, not just the rate, to include fees. Emotionally, it's empowering. Remember feeling powerless at the dealership? This flips the script. I revised my own story by shaving 0.75% off, turning maybe into yes for my family. Secret number 5, government-backed loans like FHA, VA, or USDA are lifesavers for beginners, but banks downplay them to push pricier options. FHA is king for first-timers. Low down, flexible credit, and now in 2025, with expanded limits up to $1.1 million in high-cost areas like San Francisco. If you're a vet, VA loans mean zero down and no PMI, private mortgage insurance. USDA for rural areas? Same perks, plus lower rates. Check eligibility at fha.gov or va.gov. It's straightforward. Simple tip. Use a HUD-approved counselor free via housingcounseling.org to guide you. Motivationally, these programs scream the dream is accessible. I counseled a young couple in Florida who qualified for FHA despite one layoff. Seeing their joy at closing was pure magic. Avoid the trap. Banks might steer you to conventional for their commissions, so ask directly. Wrapping this part, these secrets build on the foundation, from credit fixes to rate hacks. But wait, the real money savers are next: closing costs and long-term wins. Don't click away. Part 4 reveals how to negotiate like a boss and future-proof your mortgage. Your homeownership journey starts now. Let's keep the momentum. Here we go with secret number 6. Closing costs can be negotiated, and they're not set in stone like banks imply. These sneaky fees, 2 to 5% of the loan, or $6,000 to $15,000 on average, cover appraisals, title insurance, and origination. But in 2025, with competition high, ask for seller concessions, up to 6% on FHA, or lender credits by paying points up front. Shop title companies separately, save 20 to 30%. Practically, budget early and use tools like Closing Corp for estimates. Emotionally, it's a win against the big guys. I negotiated $4,000 off my costs, feeling like I reclaimed control. For beginners, start with a good realtor who fights for you. Sites like Realtor.com help find ones with buyer rebates. Finally, secret number 7, refinancing isn't a one and done. Plan for it from day one, especially with 2025's volatile rates. Banks won't remind you because new loans mean more fees for them. But if rates drop, experts predict possible 5.5% by mid-year. Refinance to save big, or switch to a 15-year term later for faster equity. Build in by choosing no prepayment penalty loans. Simple strategy: monitor rates via bankrate.com and set alerts. Motivationally, this secret keeps the dream alive long-term. Think paying off early, building wealth for your kids. My refinance in year 3 cut my interest by $50,000. It's practical freedom. Tying it all together, these 7 secrets, from credit boosts to refi smarts, are your roadmap. You've got the tools now. Bust myths, leverage programs, negotiate hard. Emotionally, homeownership isn't just a house. It's stability, pride, family memories. In 2025's market, with easing inflation and more inventory, it's your time. Stay motivated. Small steps lead to big wins. If this fired you up, share your story below. Hit that like button if these secrets empowered you. Subscribe to Dream Dollar for more real estate tips, and comment "Home Sweet Home" for a free first-time buyer checklist. Let's make your Dream Dollar work. See you next time.